Well, y'all, current situation, it is 29 degrees Fahrenheit. And yeah, I just couldn't wait no more, so we're gonna take this 5T out. We're gonna tear something up, probably the ground. Let's go. All right, y'all, we're out here at the 5T at the park. We're gonna see how she does out here. Let's, oh my gosh, it is freezing. Sorry about dropped y'all. Cold, 29 degrees out here. So we'll see how long it lasts. Oh my Lord. What the hell is going on? Oh my God, I got a motor lead ripped out. How the hell did I do that? Goodness gracious, ain't even started driving it yet. Y'all, daggone, I can't get it in there. There we go. Now she might actually run. That's a little better. And it takes off better too, I can tell you now, with that 20 tooth in there. Oh my God. Haha. Woo-hoo-hoo. She's lively. Oh my gosh, this thing. Oh my God. Well. Oh my God. Whoa. That did it, y'all. Holy shit. Holy shit. Well, she didn't have enough oomph to get her back over. If that didn't break something, that's a real true testament to how tough this thing is. Holy shit. Wow. I know it knocked the motor lead out. Clearly that's a weakness. There's no way. Oh, my pinion's gone. Wow, y'all, that's gonna do it. No, my pinion's not gone. What the hell's going on here? Let me see what all happened here, y'all. We'll be back. Look at this, y'all. I'm getting ready to leave. And that's where the truck hit. It hit so hard it blew the stickers off that son of a bitch. Or son of a gun, I'm sorry, I'm bad. Look, there's a Fast Eddie Barron sticker and my sticker, my custom made ones. Blew the stickers clean off that sucker. She hit so hard, boys and girls. Oh my Lord, look. Or no, that ain't where it hit. That's just, what the hell is that? There's stickers out, my black sheep stickers out here where it actually hit the second time. It blew the stickers all the way off the truck everywhere, y'all. Unreal. Look at the craters it dug. Way out here. Holy crap, what have I done? There's some more stickers over here. What the world? It knocked every damn sticker off the truck. Holy crap. Zip tie. Oh, I'm scared to take the body off this thing when I get home. Oh my Lord. Oh yeah, this is bad. There's the brute Hobbywing sticker off the front of it. There is the RC Madness sticker. It literally blew every sticker off the car. Holy crap, dude. All right, let's see what we broke. The fan knocked loose. That ain't nothing. The bottom back drive shaft is out of the, that's why we ain't got no rear drive. So center differential looks good, I think. Yeah, but we got no front drive. So what do we do up here? Wait, I had front drive for a second. I'm assuming I snapped a pin right here. Sure, the pin, yeah. Or the drive shaft snapped in half. Something happened here, I'd say. Yeah, wait a minute, let's see. Differential looks good, I think. Wait a minute. Kinda. No, that ain't good either. I don't know what broke, y'all. I'm gonna have to tear into it and see what broke here in the front, but yeah, not a good way to start out with 5T, y'all. So, what is going on with my phone, too? Something broke on it now too. Y'all, I found the culprit. It is the front pin right here in the front drive shaft. I don't know if you can see down in there. Yeah, see it right there, moving back and forth. There's a pin that goes in there, and then these little clips, ring clips, slide up here and hold the pin in. Well, I think happened on that impact, it knocked that ring out, and the pin, it allowed the pin to slide out. And yeah, so I might have to get new pins. But guys, it didn't break. I mean, you seen that violent hit, y'all. I mean, look at this thing. It's is it straight as an arrow? Yep, straight as an arrow. That's insane. Straight as an arrow. Didn't break the bumper when it hit. It didn't break no shocks. It locked the pin out. The rods ain't broke. And somehow, I really don't know how in the hell it did this. It flexed the chassis so hard that it knocked that out. But here, let me show you back here what's going on in the front. Pull this boot back like I had to in the front. But all right, yeah, there we go. See these rings right here, guys? These rings right here are what holds the pin in. And on that impact, it knocked these rings off, and it allowed the pins to come out. So now I got no pin in there. So I'm gonna have to get a new pin. Yeah, it's like a CVD pin. That's what it is, just a pin missing. So other than that, y'all, tank, unreal. That's it. Put a drive shaft back in the back, put a pin in the front, and she's ready to go again. My battery trays that I made and that I put in here, drilled the holes in the chassis, put in here myself. They didn't go nowhere. My ESC mount that I made didn't go nowhere. I lost a pin out of here, come out too. But guys, I mean, that was brutal. Y'all, it didn't move my gear mesh, not even an inch. Knocked the whole drive shaft out, didn't move that a bit. But that's gonna do it for today. I'm gonna see if I got a pin in there, maybe it fits it. And also my camera shattered over here on the corner, so now I got a glare on the corner, so that's no good too. But it's also, you see the little glare right around here somewhere. It's Super Bowl weekend too, though, or not Super Bowl weekend, playoff weekend. So that's gonna do it for now, and we'll get her fixed and back out there, y'all. Oh, it knocked the fan loose. I said that, I think, but all in all, guys, for what it just did, that was insane. Insanely hard hit. And yeah, we're gonna get some pins in it and we'll be back at it. All right, y'all. Peace out.